The ultimate meatball.
Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. Today, I'm gonna make some chocolate bombs. Okay, guys, I know they've been out for a while. I saw them on Instagram last month, and I'm like, man, they are the coolest thing. They are amazing. I love them. So today, I'm gonna make some chocolate bombs, okay? I'm gonna make some out of white chocolate and some out of dark chocolate, okay? Now, chocolate bombs, I saw a couple videos. I mean, these things, you can put anything you want in them. But I ordered these online. You got big ones where you can fit a good amount of the hot chocolate mix. And then there's these small ones where you get a little bit of hot chocolate mix, but it depends how big your cup is. They call this a double boiler. You get a pot, put some water in, and then you just get a bowl, put it on top, you put it on the stove. You can put these in a container, put them in the microwave, melt them down in the microwave. You don't even have to get chocolate chips, you can get any kind of molten chocolate. Since I don't have a microwave, I'm going to go with this method, and I'm going to go heat up my water. Now I got this chocolate melted. And it dries up pretty quick, so we'll just put some in and just go around. Make sure you get up to the sides. Go around, nicey nice, huh? Nicey nice. Make sure you put a nice amount in there. Now, you can never be too cheap with the chocolate, right? Don't be cheap with the chocolate. You want it nicey nice. All right, put a little more in there. Now what you can do with your chocolate that's left over, you can just scrape it out onto a piece of parchment paper. It never goes to waste, and you can save it, put it in a bag. After it's going to get nice and hard again. What you can do is just spread it out so it gets hard quick. Put it on a half sheet pan, put it in the refrigerator, leave it out. It will get hard again. And once it's hard, you break it up, stick it back in the bag, and next time you make your hot chocolate bombs, boom, you use the chocolate. You can decorate your bombs any way you want. Don't tell nobody you're making bombs, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, since I got a lot of stuff left over from Christmas, I'm going to use this. What's laying? Always use what's laying around first, guys. Waste not, want not, huh? So I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle some of this around. We're going to see how this comes out. Okay? Just you sprinkle that all around. We'll see how that comes out, huh? We're going to see how this white chocolate plays out. Same thing. We're just going to put some in and then just spread it out. All right? Just like spackling a house, I guess, whatever you want to call it, right? Bada boom, bada bing. Make sure you get a lot of chocolate. And you spread it out. I'm a fool for white chocolate. I love white chocolate bars. The possibilities are endless, okay? So when it comes to your hot chocolate, this is my first time doing it. Well, technically my second, but actually my first time. But anyway, you can make your own icing if you want. But guys, this is something you can do with your kids. Make it fun. Don't go crazy. You rip open a couple packages of hot chocolate, dump it in a bowl. These Wilmax bowls, forget about it, right? You get yourself some real marshmallows. I found out there are fake marshmallows. You know what fake marshmallows is? Those little dehydrated ones. Get yourself some good stuff, you know what I mean? And look, you want to decorate it, they sell these in the supermarket. You get them all different colors, flavors, forget about it. So, but see, look, the tip is too wide. See, the tip is too wide. You can't really decorate with a wide tip. So what I did, I put my icing in a little bag, and then when I'm ready, I'm just gonna cut that tip off and I'm gonna go squirty, squirty, squirt. We'll throw some little Jimmy, since we had a leftover from the Christmas stuff. We got the little green and things over here. But anyway, guys, please do me a favor. Do this with the kids. And forget about it. It's good. I never knew these things existed. They're awesome. Forget about it. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, while these chocolate bombs are molding up, get your stuff ready. So once they're ready, boom, 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 bang. You need a hot surface. You can warm up a frying pan or whatever. We'll get to that later, but just think, we're gonna need like a hot surface to melt the edges of the bombs and to form the bombs. So that's coming up here on Cooking with Chocolate Bombs. All right, so your shells are nice and hard, okay? However you want to get them, but push them gently from the bottom, and as you push up, pull this apart, push up, look at that, boom. Oh my gosh. Boom, look at that, huh? Beautiful. Same thing, we're gonna push up and out. We're gonna push up, and they come out. Then, what you can do, flip it upside down, slide her to the side. Same thing with the little guys. We're gonna push up, and boom. Look at that, nice and nice, guys. I'm impressed. These are really coming out pretty cool. It's like Christmas balls. This is the time where you want to get something hot, okay? Like you want to warm a frying pan. What I got is the double boiler again, but instead of melting chocolate chips, I'm just going to get the bowl nice and hot on the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm going to show you why in a second. I got the hot water, the hot bowl, very hot on the bottom. Now you want to smoothen out the edges, so you just take the 1/2 and you put it down, and look, it's going to melt. Just move it around like that. Okay, smoothing out the edges. Pick her up, put it down. See that? Boom. Then you get a nice scoop of hot chocolate mix in there, right? I'm going to put a little more chocolate mix. All right. Then what you're going to do is get yourself some marshmallows. Put some marshmallows in there. And get the top of the bomb. I'm going to put a little more marshmallows in if you don't mind. I like extra marshmallows. Okay, then you get the other top. Smoothing out the edges. Okay? And then cover. And as you see it sticking out over here. Let me turn this towards you, okay? Take your finger and do it like that. Boom. Smoothing it out. I'm gonna put it right there. All right. Put some chocolate mix in there, huh? Forget about it. These are the golden bombs that I built. While we put this back in the fridge, your milk is heating up or your water's heating up. Whatever you're heating up, getting ready for this. We're gonna stick this in there for another 10 minutes, take them out. We're gonna drizzle some icing on it, maybe hit them with some more stuff, and then we're gonna pop them in the milk or the water. I'll see you back here on Cooking Frankie Meatball. Again, this icing, it's fast, it's easy, it's good. You don't have to make your own, okay? I put it in a little bag because the top was too tight. And, you know, you put it in a little bag. You don't need no tips, nothing fancy, you know what I'm saying? So, you just cut the tip off, all right? And then we're just gonna decorate. You can get so creative with these things. This guy is the limit. The chocolate bombs are amazing. Let me tell you guys, I cannot get enough. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification button so you get notified every Wednesday when I put out a new video. And like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, email me with your request. I'm telling you guys, you request it, I will make it. Alright, check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. We play everything from the forefathers to the band mothers around. And again, that's Thursday night, live with Kevin and Johnny.
So remember you see it here on the Frankie Meatball Show. Frankie Meatball. Frankie Meatball.
And I'm Johnny E from Philly Rock Radio. You're about to get cooking with Frankie Meatball.
Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production. You got the point. You know what you could do. Guys, let me tell you, try it, alright?